Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lucky Maths 2529. Today chapter polynomials. What is polynomial? This polynomial in which form is there? We'll see here. What is polynomial means? This polynomial is an expression in terms of x that containing the sum of finite number of terms. Each term is in the form of ax power n. Each term is in the form of ax power n. That is the main point of polynomials definition. Okay, I am writing the definition of polynomial first. Polynomial. Here, what is polynomial means? This is first of all, this is an expression. A polynomial in terms of x is an expression. So that I am writing here. A polynomial in x is an expression containing the sum of finite number of terms. Finite number of terms in the form of, that is the main point, in the form of, what is the form? Ax power n is called a polynomial. Okay, this is the main point in this definition. Ax power n, this total involved in this ax power n. So I am considering this ax power n polynomial in x. So first of all, polynomial is denoted by p of x. So it is denoted by polynomial in x. Polynomial in x is denoted by p of x. That is the point here, denoted by p of x. This p of x is equal to, it is an expression, the sum of finite number of terms in the form of ax power n. What is a, what is x, what is n? We know means we will clearly understand what is a polynomial. So this polynomial in terms of x is equal to ax power n. Here first of all, this a is real number. A is real number and this a not equal to 0. That is the main point here in this polynomial. The coefficient of this x power n is not equal to 0. First of all, a is real number and a is not equal to 0. And what about x means? This x is a variable. X is a variable. Okay. What about this n means? This n is a whole number. N is a whole number. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. This x power only start with 0 and continue, go on. Not negative numbers, not root numbers. Okay. That keep in your mind. If this x power is in terms of negative symbol will come means that is not a polynomial. That is the main point. What is polynomial, what is not polynomial? To remember, to identify what is polynomial, what is not polynomial. This point is very useful to recognize the n. N is a whole number, you have to remember. This is the main. What is a polynomial in terms of x is the a into x power n. These are the main points to identify the polynomial, and you have to remember these points. What is a, what is x, what is n, what is the limitations of this one. If it is a equal to 0 means there is no polynomial will come. The coefficient of 0 will come means total will come 0. Okay, this is the polynomial. Suppose some numbers or some expressions is given. Sub 2x is given, 5x square is given, 5x square plus 3x plus 2 is given, 2 plus 1 by x is given. 3 plus root x is given. So identify which is polynomial, which is not polynomial is given means, first of all, polynomial keep heading left side. I am separating these ones, not polynomial. Okay. First of all, consider this 2x. A x power n. N means this is nothing means 1 will come. A into x power n. So polynomial. This is a polynomial. So 2x I am writing here. Consider this one 5x square plus 3x plus 2. This is in the form of ax power n. Ax power n. A x power 0 like that. Ax power n. So this is a polynomial. Comes under polynomial only. 5x square plus 3x plus 2 is 2 plus 1 by x. This is inverse type. X power minus 1 will come. Here n is a whole number is given. So whole number means start with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here x power minus 1 will come. Negative numbers. So this is not a polynomial. X power n term is not there. So 2 plus 1 by x is not a polynomial. Here root x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means this is a whole number, not a whole number. That's why 3 plus root x is also not a polynomial. So like this we identify what is polynomial, what is not polynomial. Until this over. The complete polynomial structure I am writing here. Just look at here. What is polynomial, what is not polynomial, over. Next, here polynomial p of x I am writing here. Complete polynomial structure. Start ax power n I am saying each term in the form of a into x power n, where a is real number, x is variable, n is whole number set. So starting number a naught x power n. This is in the form of ax power n. Second number coefficient a1 x power n minus 1. Next number a2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on until plus a 0, 1, 2 and so on n minus 1 x plus last number a n x. A n only. X here came only. A n. Last term a n. Okay. This is the complete form of polynomial in terms of x. Okay. This is the polynomial in terms of x. Each term is in the form of ax power n. Ax power n. Until a. Here also x power 0. Here x power 1. This last term x power 0 will come. Nothing is there means any number power 0, 1 only will come. This is in the form of only a into x power n form will come here. Okay. Now degree of a polynomial. This is degree of a polynomial. What is degree of a polynomial? That means the polynomial in terms of x we know. The polynomial in terms of x is there. The highest power of x is considered as degree of a polynomial. Let us consider any polynomial. That highest power in that polynomial, which is the highest power of x, that number is degree of a polynomial. Let us consider 5x. Here I am tabular form is writing. This is the polynomial and the degree of polynomial is there, and what is called that polynomial. Okay, here something 2x plus 1 is a polynomial. In this the highest power of x is nothing there means 1 will there. So x power 1. In this the highest power of x is 1. So the degree of this polynomial is 1. This is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Okay? Linear polynomial. Next, suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 4. This is a polynomial. This polynomial, observe, here x. The highest power of x is 2 only. So, that degree is 2 and this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay. Next. Here, suppose 3x cube. Simply one term only I am writing. A into x power n. This x coefficient only 3. So, the highest power of this polynomial is 3. This is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Suppose consider one constant. This is a polynomial or not? Check it here. Suppose consider a constant. 6. Consider. Here observe this is a polynomial or not. Here we are assuming here x power 0. A x power n form is there. So this is a polynomial. This highest power of x is 0. So that degree is 0. This is called 0 polynomial. Okay. Here also consider which is polynomial, which is not polynomial also. Here also constants comes under polynomial only. Okay. Tabular form for this, which is the degrees of polynomial, the name of the polynomial. Polynomial degree name. 3 types of polynomials came: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and 0 polynomial. The highest power of x is considered of the degree of the polynomial. Consider this one, the polynomial complete form. This is nth degree polynomial. Consider the x coefficient, x powers. X coefficients are a0, a1, a2. These are the real coefficients. X powers n, n minus 1 slowly decreasing until x power 0. So the highest power is n. This is the nth degree polynomial. This is about the polynomial and degrees of a polynomial. Thanks for watching. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.